Hello, it is Oracle 21C Database Management Performance Project 6A. My name is Ramon. What is performance management means? What performance management means? It is about making sure the database runs efficiently. I'm following Archibon. Queries return result fast, resource and CPU, memory, input, output, and no waste, and users don't complain about slowness. User reports that queries on the employees table are running slowly. As a DBA, you want to find a slow SQL check execution plans and tune a 5-step process Oracle 21C performance management. So we're gonna run this as a SQL download. We gotta be sure that to connect it as a SysBA, so not as a system connect system, because then we gotta write our password and can be complicated. And be sure that you go into the window, type CMD and right click the administrator, and you can get it easier through that way. So the next is identify how long SQLs. So find the stop SQL by CPU uses from AWR last snapshots. So number two, step check the execution plan. Show the plan for a specific sequence and explain plan for. So number three, create an index. So create an index to improve where cross filtering. So step four, rerun and compare performance. Check the SQL performance again. So select from tables and until that's one, until single quotes, or start, last, single quotes, close parenthesis, semicolon. So number five, use the SQL tuning advisor. Optional. This one is optional, so we can continue to the next step. So we're going to describe the basic DDN tuning circle. So find a slow SQL, check execution plan, tune with the index or rewrite it, verify improvement, optional. The Oracle advisor suggests fixes. So troubleshooting, lines is needed for using this. Explain, plan for select, until here, display, closes parentheses, and this one is the end. So let's start it from the beginning. So now what we gotta do is try to type or copy and paste SQL knowledge, and we are in SQL. So be sure that you connect to SYSBA, connect as SYSBA, because like that you can know how to write the password, and your query or code can be less complicated. Step one, identify how Lores. So we are going to copy this, and I hope that this at the beginning, try me words. Okay, so right here, the SQL underscore ID, execution total underscore second, CPU second, and the SQL underscore test. So if we can see here, it is the ID. So the execution total seconds is 1. The CPU second is 1.804438, and the SQL text is 0.214474. So we can say here that is execution 1, 2, and 1. So that's repeated again, the ID and etc. Now I'm gonna try to upload a little bit this, because we have to be able to see our next step. So check the execution plan. So right now I am gonna do copy and paste this. So if I copy and paste this one, I expect that it say explain. So yes, it is right here. So the next step is check execution plan. So let me try to copy and paste. Copy and paste this one, and let's see I should pass this one, but let me try to do this one. It say that is explained. So the next one is check the execution plan. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, create an index. So let's see what is going to happen when I create the index. It said that it error. So here the answer should be index created. So I don't know why, but you got an okay. Name is already used an existing object, so it is already existed. So let me try to copy and paste this again. Index created, so it is what I was expecting from the create index. So the next one is step 4, run and compare performance. So I'm gonna select this, select from table, parentheses DVs, and DVMS underscores. So until here, single quote, parenthesis, close parenthesis, semicolon. So let me yes, let's try to run this. Let me try to run this table first, and then yes, and then I'm gonna try to run. Let me try to run this one. "26 rows selected." So now tuning advisor is optional, but let's try to do that also because we are here to code, and if there is any problem, we fix it through the process, because it is what we are. We are future DVA. So yes, there is a problem over here. I'm gonna to try to fix it. 22 selected, and right here the SQL ID, SQL text, this yes, description. We can see 12 rows selected. So now I'm gonna go to run this. I'm gonna run to run this one, to run it, to paste and copy to see this complicated one. So you see, it's complicated. Let's see what happened. I know that we're gonna have some problem with the SQL statement. The noise 6 is right here. But what we're gonna do? Let's try to run this first. Okay. Run this after this. All right. To non-commands. Okay, and let me try to run it again. Let me try to run this again. You come back to the that's optional. So let's see the next one, the basic DVA tuning circle. So find the slow sequence, check execution plan, tune with this index or rewrite it, verify improvement. Optional, let Oracle advisor. So with this one that we just did, we need to get a license. If no, download a special for free, spread for free. So now troubleshooting. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna troubleshoot now to see what is going on. me try to okay. So you remember this, and semicolon. Now let me try this again. We say that missing right parenthesis. Oh yes. You see how we missed this parenthesis here? Let me try again. So you see, if we make so any little thing, so it prevents us from okay, you see, missing expression. So we gotta generate a plan for the first. Oof, that's, you see, that's explained that we expect it. And then display the plan. 14 rows selected.